College is very important for every teenager. Apart from the studies, it teaches you a lot about life. The Village Apartments in Dallas make it even more exciting with its exceptional facilities and a space to be with you throughout those magical days. This student accommodation is a fully furnished housing accommodation providing you to choose from an ensuite, a non-ensuite, and a studio apartment. The apartments come with a private room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. The bedroom welcomes you with a comfy bed, a side table, and a beautiful view from the bedroom window. You get a shared modular kitchen within the ensuite and the non-ensuite apartment, including a dining table and essential utensils, as well as where you can begin your cookery show with your roommates. Enjoy an amazing stay with a lovely pool, fitness center, and a recreational area where you can make endless memories with your friends. To add to these features, the location speaks for itself, as there are a lot of tourist attractions very close to the residence. The Art Institute of Dallas and Southern Methodist University are just a short drive away. For adventurous souls, George W. Bush Presidential Center, Lakeside Park, and bars like Milo Butterfingers are just a short ride away, making it convenient for you to commute. So don't think twice. Seal the deal at this amazing student accommodation by visiting amberstudent.com.